Hello everyone. We have Mr. Narendra Garud with us, who is our existing buyer.
Hello.
How did you come to know about our project Kumar Park Infinia?
Okay, so it was couple of years ago. Means one of my colleague actually means I came along with him and I saw this property. And at the time I didn't have any kind of intention to purchase this property, but I looked the sample flat and amenities, so it changed my mind at the time. Yes.
Did you evaluate Kumar Park Infinia with any project of any other developer?
Yes, actually, means what happened at that time means when I came to this property and I realized that means I somehow calculated all those things and I prepared my budget and I went around the Keshav Nagar area, the Mundhwa area and the Wagholi and the outskirts of the city on this side. So I found couple of parameters that that is very it's an advantageous point for the property, like the amenities already built, means you don't have to wait for the amenities, so that is the one point. Other point is the all the space is very spacious. Okay, flat is very spacious and I looked around all this you can say all the navigations kind of stuff, Vastu Shastra, all those things, and all those things are fit inside that flat. So, and also I talked with the senior member of my family and they said they give me a green flag and I just purchased it. Yep.
What made you decide to buy your dream home at Kumar Park Infinia?
Okay, so basically I'm a sports person. Okay, and I found it very comfortable while roaming around the campus or the premises. There are a lot more facilities for the sports as well. There is badminton, there is tennis court and a small cricket pitch as well. So I felt it very good because in future means I can see myself utilizing those kind of amenities, and also means for considering my parents, and there are a lot more space for them as well, like parks and sitting chairs. There are amazing. Yep.
How was your entire buying experience with us, right from booking to registration and lastly possession?
Okay, frankly speaking means I don't have any that kind of experience and I didn't talk with those many peoples. Okay, and I found it very easier and it was a very smooth process. I need to take only one day leave for the registration itself, and apart from that all those things are settled, and after that means I don't have to do anything, means everything means the demand letter, all the processing formalities are on up to the date. Okay, so I don't have to worry about it, and it's a very good thing for a NAVE user, means a NAVE customer who is not aware of all these things or the technicalities of these things. And slowly I came to know all these things, but yeah, means this is the very good process that Kumar have that we can rely on.
So you said you're a sports person. Are you utilizing any of our amenities that you just mentioned?
Yeah, means you can say the cricket pitch, and there is a indoor tennis court, table tennis. So I just utilize those.
Nice.
And most of the time is my family member came and my friend came, and we just utilized that properly. I mean, we are having a very good time at that place.
Will you recommend or refer Kumar Park Infinia to any of your friend or relative?
Yeah, definitely. Means I do refer actually. I do refer the 3 friends of mine, and they are looking positive to it. Means it's very good thing, and I explain them, and it's all about the trust. Means they trust us, they trust me, and I trust Kumar. So it's kind of a really nice equation between the resident and the Kumar properties. Yeah.
Well, as you know, all of us are in this COVID situation currently. Is Park Infinia helping you to have a safe life within the premises?
Yes, means credit goes to Park Infinia as well, and society members as well, who society committee who take care of the situation. And along with that means infrastructure is designed in that way that means all those norms are easily followed, means like keeping a safe distance with other person. So it is very means easily maintainable, even though you are walking around the streets and walking around the park. So means those norms will be easy to follow.
Lastly, any message from your side for any new buyer who's looking to purchase their dream home at Kumar Park Infinia?
Yeah, means you just have to look for that particular unit. Otherwise, means all things are settled, like the amenities, all the technicalities like fire stations and all those things. Electricity is taken care, and all these things are taken care. Only you need to take a look at the unit, whether it is feasible for you or not. Means if I am referring to anyone, so means I'll just tell them, just look at the unit only and everything will be done. If you are okay with the unit, that's okay.
Thank you, Mr. Narendra Garud, for your kind words. It is a pleasure hosting you today, and Team Park Infinia would definitely strive hard to match all your expectations. Thank you once again.